Little steps, big dreams. Dino Ben and Dino Lulu made their way through a dense part of the jungle, where the trees were tall, and the foliage was thick. Despite the challenges, their spirits were high. One day, they stumbled upon a clearing where a friendly-looking goat was working tirelessly. She was carrying a large pile of heavy stones, focused and determined. "Hello there," Dino Lulu called out. "What are you building?" The goat smiled warmly. "Hello. I'm Gertie the Goat. I'm building a sturdy shelter for the rainy season. It's a big task, but it needs to be done." "It looks like a lot of work," Dino Ben said. "How do you manage to keep going?" Gertie sighed. "It is a lot of work, and sometimes it feels overwhelming. But I remember a saying, how do you eat an elephant? One bite at a time." "What does that mean?" Dino Lulu asked. "It means that even the biggest tasks can be accomplished if you break them down into smaller steps. If I looked at the whole shelter as one big project, it would seem impossible. But if I take it one stone at a time, it becomes manageable. So, having grit means sticking with it and working on it bit by bit?" Dino Ben asked. "Exactly," Gertie said. "It's about perseverance and breaking down a big goal into smaller tasks. It's easy to get discouraged if you focus on the whole picture. But if you focus on each small step, you can make progress without feeling overwhelmed." Dino Lulu looked at the pile of stones. "Can we help you with the stones? Maybe it will make the task easier." Gertie's eyes lit up with gratitude. "I'd love that. With more helping hands, the work will definitely go faster." The three friends began working together, carrying stones and placing them carefully. They chatted and laughed, making the task seem less daunting. Dino Ben and Dino Lulu quickly learned the value of breaking down a big task into smaller parts. With each stone they placed, the shelter started taking shape, and their sense of accomplishment grew. Gertie showed them how to stack the stones carefully, ensuring that each layer was solid and stable. She explained that even small tasks, like arranging the stones just right, were important for the overall success of the project. As the sun began to set, the shelter was nearly complete. Gertie looked at the structure with pride. "Thank you both so much. With your help, we've made great progress today." "We learned a lot today too," Dino Ben said. "By breaking down a big task into smaller steps, we were able to achieve something that seemed impossible at first. And working together made it even better," Dino Lulu added. "Sometimes, having grit means not just sticking with it, but also knowing when to ask for help and work as a team." Gertie smiled warmly. "That's right. Grit isn't just about never giving up, it's about approaching challenges in a smart way and making steady progress, no matter how big the task may seem." With their hearts full of the lesson they had learned, Dino Ben and Dino Lulu said their goodbyes to Gertie. They promised to remember the importance of breaking down big tasks into smaller steps and to keep working towards their goals with perseverance and determination. Grit means not giving up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. What's your big dream? Or what's something hard you didn't give up on? Share with us in the comments below.